All right, guys. Well, guess what? We finished another wrap here at Sho-Me Tint, and we have got it popping today. We're about to pop out this new Tesla Model X Midnight Gold. What do you think of it? Does it look cool? Tell me that's cool. I just love that. The only thing would be cooler if it could actually fly. Like if you could if these were actual wings and you actually flew around, that would be super cool. But I don't think it works like that. I think it doesn't actually work like that. Wait, is there a button here on the door, right? Oh, here it is. The big bright red one. There it is. Super cool. This is one of my absolute favorite wraps we've done. This one is obviously such a baller color. Look at that. The way it color shifts. Super dark. Really highlights. I love it. I love it. This is the color I've been saving for myself. I love it. I love it. I love it. I really love it though. For real. Look at that. Well, he's going to be a super happy customer. He's going to be picking it up very shortly and whipping it around town. I can't wait to break necks all day in this thing. He's going to be like, oh my God, this is so cool. I love it. I'm like, I love it too. He wanted this black, and we told him no. We said, don't do that. It looks so much better not black. But we're on the fence about it. It can work. But we like the body color. We like making it all match. We let him do the mirrors black instead. Well, you never know it was white before unless you open it up. We could do the jams, but you wouldn't want to pay for it. I'm telling you. It's super expensive. Well, we got this ready to go out today, and I wanted to show it to you before we sent it out. I wanted you to get a feel for it and get an idea of what we could do to your car. So come on down here. Let's go. Let's wrap something. Let's do it right now. It's Christmas. Don't wrap presents, wrap cars. Everybody knows that. All right, guys. See you later.